The international cavalcade of motor trucks created widespread interest when it recently toured major cities of Australia. Realizing it was impossible for out-of-town folk to see its full motor truck range, International Harvester decided to take the city showroom to the country, and in cooperation with local dealers, organized a cavalcade. These scenes, taken as the fleet stopped over at Dubbo in New South Wales, were repeated in all states of the Commonwealth. At each town, the specially trained driver salesmen were ready to answer questions when local people had the opportunity to study the trucks at the premises of the local IH dealer. Their job at Dubbo finished, driver salesmen check their vehicles and prepare for the next town. Maintenance completed, the vehicles head out of town on their way to show more country people the international cavalcade of motor trucks.